my channel. So if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Magdalene. Nice to meet you. Okay, so if you've just stumbled on my website on my blog, I mean, if it's your first time you're coming to my YouTube channel, I do everything: fashion, travel, so natural hair videos, and I also do lifestyle videos. So if you just love you, definitely share my videos to your loved ones. Let's get this video to 100 likes. So today I'll be doing simple ways of styling box braids hair. This is a very nice box braid hair I just recently made. You can still looking yummy. So I want to show you guys different ways to style it to up the look and make it look different at every point in time. So you look dashing every time you carry your braid, so you look different. So if you guys like this kind of video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get into this vlog. enjoy this simple styles of styling your box braid. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and share it to any of your friends. And you can see I've been loving creating this content so far, and I hope you love it too. Bye guys.